Artificial intelligence is changing the way we learn, work, and solve problems. Along with all the new opportunities that come with AI, also come new responsibilities.
That's why South Piedmont developed the Gator Guide, a framework designed to help students use AI thoughtfully, ethically, and effectively.
The Gator Guide encourages innovation while maintaining academic integrity. It helps students understand when AI can support learning and when critical thinking and original work matter most.
Gator Guide establishes a standardized scale for how much AI is acceptable on student assignments. For instance, an assignment with a 0 AI score means AI is not allowed at all, while a 3 AI score means that AI can be fully integrated into the assignment.
Rather than treating AI as all good or all bad, the Gator Guide provides clear guidelines on different levels of AI use in the classroom.
It takes away the guesswork for students and faculty and helps them focus on what's needed in today's world. Learning to use AI responsibly while making sure students build the critical thinking and problem-solving skills they'll need for the modern workforce.
So whether your assignment is a 0 or a 3, you can be certain 100% that it was designed to help you get a high-quality education. That's Gator Guide.